So here I'm working on the final preparations. I have to crisp this up a little bit I'm taking it up to Bob's place for the ice race. So I'm going to get this done and then I'm getting on the road. So there it is. I'm going to let that brown just for a little bit and then I'm going to put it in the crock pot and off I go up to Bob's place. Okay, let's check on this dish and see if it's done. Oh yeah, that's done. Definitely done. Grab that out of here and whoa, these bricks are hot. I'm gonna put that on here so I don't crack it. Hey, this is at Bob's ice race. I'm walking back to get a bigger view. This is bound to be fun. It's just getting started here. There's a pile of people here and pretty wild. I'm trying out this Honda Interceptor. I wish I had studded tires, but I'm just gonna ride it around for fun. And I got my hang glider hauling rig here. Got a second motorcycle up front. I'm gonna walk out and get a view of the ice.
Is he?
There, it's stopping.
Oh, that's because you turned it off.
So, it'll be fine. It'll be fine. It's got a lot of gas in it. It's got a lot of gas. Hey, after I start, I got to put the this side.
Don't tell me it has an electric start.
Oh yeah, man, you big serious.
I'm not kicking that big Jerry.
Oh, I remember when I took it for a ride.
That thing kicks ass. That's neat.
That technique is help. Don't bump it.
Jerry,
I took that for a ride.
come on, buddy.
How are you? Good. How long you been here?
I don't know, maybe 45 minutes.
Yeah, I took it. My wife gave me a nice breakfast. I went downstairs and fell asleep.
Did you bring you didn't bring the bike?
Yeah.
You want to ride my Yamaha? I got it. I'm going to have no studs though.
No, I don't feel like riding anything without stuff.
I got a 50cc, you can ride that with no studs.
I was thinking about that.
Right up there.
No, I just walk around and talk.
Well, it's good to see you out.
Yeah, good seeing you.
I can't wait to... What is that thing? A 650? What is it?
Oh, I don't know. I thought it was a Java.
Oh, I don't know. Frank, what is that bike?
What's that?
What kind of bike is that right
A
there?
650R Honda.
Oh, okay.
They only made it for 2 years.
Okay. That's neat.
Take all one more ice. Jerry,
Hey, what's going on?
how we doing?
What the heck is that? studded go-kart. What's up?
How you doing?
Good. I'm videoing bikes. There's some cool shit here. I want to go out here, but I don't want to get ran over. And I just want to get somebody like laying her right over.
Just go right out the center by town.
Yeah. I thought I was gonna get killed and not make it past before that bike got back around. One for the ages here. Oh my gosh.
So there's you just see, you think they're better than others.
Man, that kid really lays it down.
Oh, yeah.
Who is that?
Oh yeah, that's his kid.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Well, he's doing good. Wow, man.
Yeah, he has 2 reeds.
Neat stuff.
So
Oh yeah.
I use.
I would
I
love to,
want to watch
I don't know,
Frank do
hell,
it.
that old thing hasn't ran in 2 years.
Did you build your own tires? Did you buy them?
It is. Oh wow, man. No studs.
Not one.
There's nothing more than ridiculous than this, but it's great. See if he gets moving here.
What do you have there? What is that?
It's just a Sony video camera.
Oh, it's a video camera. Yeah, bro. What's making a noise?
I mean, I mean just here. I'm gonna go back and do that.
You come up through the county nine tails.
Yeah, right. Bank will slow you down. You come across there.
It hit those weeds.
Yeah, slow your